to put on lip gloss, because what's a girl without her lip gloss? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you exactly how I do my face in like about 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's start with the brows. I'll speed this process through because eyebrows do take very long. And guys, since I'm wearing blonde hair, I don't want to go too heavy with the brown dip. You don't want to have your brows too dark, so I like to leave them very light. I just fill it in just a little bit. Now, for you to get a perfect eyebrow, you must do a unibrow. That's the best way for you to get your brow going, and then you disconnect the unibrow. All right, I'm all done with the brows. Now let's go on with our face. Now, I am on a time limit and it is 10 minutes. So I don't have time to wash my brushes, and that's why you must wash it at night when you have free time. Right now, I don't have free time, but I will still damp it up with some water. Don't kill me, guys. Like, I know you used Beauty Blender before, and I am on vacation, so it's okay. It's okay. We're always rushing. Now, after I use my regular concealer, I like to go over with a color corrector. This is the lightest color. It's the yellow corrector. I like to use this over my regular concealer, but I am running out, just to give me a brighter pop, especially because I'm using a brown powder today and not my regular translucent powder. Like I have on powder, you know, that white powder like people like to wear right there, but I'm going to just apply my brown powder and it shall even everything out, you know. So I'm just going to contour. I like to get my forehead, but I'm not going to get my forehead with the contouring because I have blonde hair. I do plan to color this blonde hair. I'm just debating on what color. That's why it's still this color. I might just tone it up a little. because you want it to be snatched, okay? You want that, like somebody just pulling your face, like, you know? You see how right here is dropped and over here is like up? You want that, you know? I don't look human. Okay guys, so after you finish that, I like to just contour my nose just a little bit more. You see? That just did a big deal. That just constructed my nose a lot more. Perfect. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm going in with a Violet Voss, and this one is so pigment, guys. Look at this. You don't even need to apply too much and you get a whole lot. Since we're on a rush, we are going to use one color, and my favorite go-to color is orange. Orange goes with everything. You can be wearing all black, which is my favorite, all white, cheetah print. Today I'm wearing cheetah print with a jean skirt and some sandals, something cute because we're going for dinner. And I think orange will go perfect with that. So all you need is one color and you will get the perfect look. So I got these brushes from AliExpress. Like I said before, I'll leave them in the description below. Going in with this beautiful orange right here. I might mix it with this to give it a darker look, but since I applied my concealer, I will put this orange all over my lid. Now it's best to have your eyeshadow sitting on concealer, and this eyeshadow doesn't fall. As you can see, it doesn't fall down to my cheeks. So I love this palette here. Like, I'm so glad I got it, and it was very inexpensive. You just apply a little bit and it goes a long way. Make sure you blend out the top because you don't want it to just be an orange look right there. You gotta go a little bit high so it can have an ombre effect. Now, I don't want to put too much, so I think this is perfect. Just gotta go and match my nails. I'm going in with a little bit of powder, and remember I said this powder is really brown. This is not my translucent powder. I did forget my translucent powder at home, but I will list this powder right over here that I'm using. It is the Black Radiance, and this powder is awesome, guys. It lasts all day, and I am in Vegas area, so it's extremely hot. So this powder does not crease or nothing like that. I'm doing right now is just put it on my lashes and I'm all done. This literally took 10 minutes. I will list these lashes down below. These lashes are so awesome, guys. Look at this. I got literally 5 pairs and I didn't even pay a fortune. I probably paid like $3. So I'll list them down below. Don't forget to check that box on there. And you can reuse them, guys. Now that I'm done with that, guys, I like to wipe my lips, and what I'm using today is the Garnier Skincare Active. This is an oil and this is perfect. They sell them in travel size and you can use this to wipe your makeup off. It's like the perfect, a few drops and you can get this makeup off easily. This thing is so good. It's a nice moisturize. It's an oil. At night, I use this thing, and I will have another video showing you guys my skincare routine because I don't break out and stuff. So my skin just be very smooth at all times, and I will do a video on that, guys. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video here, and don't forget to share this video. Maybe you can help someone that takes way too long to get ready and they just want something simple, quick, and easy. I don't even have my right products and I just got my face done in literally 15 minutes. My lips feel so good. So good. So moisturized. And I have to put on lip gloss because what's a girl without her lip gloss? Got this lip gloss from Forever 21. It was about $2-3. This got my lips feeling really good. So imagine it on your face. Now guys, I'm a little extra and I feel like the makeup is not done until you highlight. Like, I almost forgot I need to highlight. I'm gonna stick to the Black Radiance palette and I'm just going to highlight with that. I was going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to highlight, but I think this one will do the job just right. Been using this for a very long time. When you highlight, you have to blend it out also. You know, you can't just patch it on there. Sometimes it looks very like grainy and you want it to be like all in one section. Well, that's how I like it. Like you mainly work on one section and then you blend it out. I don't know if that makes sense, but just, you know, whatever goes with you, whatever rocks your boat. Now, do you see how this shirt goes with my makeup so well, guys? Let me back up. I'm gonna pair it with this jean skirt here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Period. See you in my next video.